Many of you really want to speak in English. Many of you are desperate to that how to speak in English, how to build confidence while speaking in English. These are the very common questions that you guys are typing on in the comment box, and I read your comment and you are asking me that, ma'am, how to improve English, how can we speak in a decent way, and I want to improve my fluency, and many things, many questions you are asking me about English. And these are your questions, and some of you are asking me, some of you are looking towards me to improve your English, and some of you are giving me suggestions that how can I improve my English. To be honest, I am not also very good at speaking. I'm trying, I'm working on improving my fluency and building up the confidence, of course. So I decided to make a video so that I can discuss with you my journey, what I am doing to improve my English, and what I did for the last 3 months. I think you know the date 22nd March, when Janta curfew imposed, and after that lockdown had been imposed. Then what I did, what I decided to improve my English. And many of you are sitting at home, and no any coaching is there, and no, because many of you are not allowed to attend the coaching, and of course many difficulties are there, and people are not going outside. It is really very risky. So again you are thinking that how can we improve English at home. Okay, so let me discuss with you my journey, what I did, so that you will get idea that what to do. So when lockdown began, okay, so what I decided, I have very clear goal that I am going to improve my English speaking skill. So what happened from the beginning, I thought that with whom should I speak. This is the very biggest question that you people face. With whom to speak, how to speak. We always search the people with we can speak. So what I did, I searched in my contact list, and I sent message to my friends that just talk to me. And yeah, so I started talking to my friends in English. Okay, so then after, what happens, what I faced, whatever I already know, I am speaking the same thing again and again. So okay, so I decided to listen regularly. We need to listen how people are speaking. So what I decided, what I did after that, oh, of course I was talking to my friends on call only in English. So then after that I thought, still it is not no any improvement. Whatever I already know, I am speaking the same thing. So I tried to use good words. I tried to make my sentences really in a good way. And so I decided to watch videos that how people are speaking in English. I watched TED Talk videos, I watched Josh Talk videos, and I also watched Swami Mukundanand. Swami ji, he is very good motivational speaker. He is very good. You know, when you will watch, again I am taking the name of that person, Swami Mukundanand ji, right? So I started watching his videos. He speak English so that you can understand him, whatever. And even he is in spiritual videos he make, like how to live the life, and what are the problems and how to face the problems, these kind of things he make the video. So I started watching videos in which people are speaking in English. So I watched it very carefully. So I whenever I get some new words, so I still I am doing it. I start writing. So I write it, and then I use it while speaking. And I also write. I am trying to write anything is in my mind, in my copy, so that my English will be very good. So what you need, don't think about that how to improve English, what to do. Just start doing something. At least start taking action. Nothing will be there if you will only think in mind that I want to speak good English. And you just think that people, yeah, what like people, how people are speaking, and you just get impressed from them. Okay, but you should also start. You can also speak very good English, but this is the matter of only how you can start. You should start. You need to work and you need to speak. Okay, and then after that, what you can do, first of all, start your journey of learning language by listening. Listen how people are speaking, which words they are using, how they are making sentences, then write it down in your copy and try to use it. Now you will say with whom we should speak. So just search people around you, search people that how, with whom you can speak. Otherwise you can also speak to yourself. Now you will say that speaking to yourself, speaking to, this is really, this is like a boring task. But what you can do, you can write in your copy whatever the thoughts is coming. At least in the beginning stage you can do it. After that, even God will help you, really. You will find the persons with whom you can talk, but at least you must start. Just start speaking, start listening. If you will listen, then you will get the idea that how to speak, what to do. At least you must start something. Then regularly, just in the morning or whenever you are getting time, just start listening how people are speaking. Then after that, write down the words in your, and that listening should be attentive listening, not any you are doing anything and you are not paying attention and you are just thinking that okay, I am listening something. No, you should sit in silent place and listen very carefully that how people are making sentences and how they are putting views. Okay, so and whenever you are getting new words, write it down in your copy, right? And then start speaking. Okay, then start using these words. I am following the channels. The first channel I am following, English Wale. First channel I am following, English Spoken Guru. Okay, the name of the channel is English Spoken Guru. The name of the tutor is Aditya sir. He is very good teacher and he teaches how to make sentences and daily use words. He don't speak in English, but it's okay. At least he is giving some sentences structure, some daily use vocabulary words and many things. So I improved many things. I learned many things from him. And next thing, Swami Mukundanand ji ki videos I am watching. Then after that, okay, then regularly for 1 hour I am talking to my friend. She is also very much eager to learn English. So make sure the person with whom you are talking, that person should be equally interested in learning English. Now please don't write in the comment box, but ma'am please give me your contact number so that we can talk to you. I cannot talk to everybody, otherwise my completely time will be in this thing that I can talk to you here in this video. I cannot talk to you on call or email or anything on WhatsApp. No. You know, I also earlier, before the lockdown, I don't use WhatsApp, but now I started WhatsApp. I started using WhatsApp so that I can send the collection of content whatever I'm studying to my friend, so that we talk to each other by watching that content on WhatsApp. So you need to search your any partner by yourself. Just see in your contact list, see your friends and just tell them, can we start speaking, can we just request them at least. And you should work hard very much. Otherwise, you know, I must say, you just start from today. Just small steps, one step ahead. Work on regularly and find people with whom you can speak. But at first you should work on listening. Really listen at first, that how people are speaking, and just write down in your own words. You need to work, otherwise nothing will happen. Really, the time will be only just go and nothing will be in your hand until you start working. So all the best, and I hope you will start working on your fluency, on your speaking skill from today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button, because it will give me motivation to work more in this direction. So let's